This is a pre-calculus assignment number 21, number 15. So we're going to take this x minus 1, we're going to plug it into the h function first to get an answer, whatever that answer is. Then we're going to plug it into the g function and simplify. Okay, so first thing, take the x minus 1 right here, plug it in for this x. So I'm going to have 3 times the x minus 1 cubed plus the 4 times this x, and plug in the x minus 1. Okay, so we've got to FOIL out the x minus 1, that'll square it. Then we've got to take that answer and multiply it by another x minus 1. And so for that, you get x cubed minus 3x squared plus 3x minus 1. Then I'm just going to distribute the 4 times the x, which is 4x, and the 4 times the negative 1, which is negative 4. All right, for the next step, I'm going to distribute the 3 all the way out through here. So 3 times x cubed is 3x cubed. 3 times negative 3x squared is negative 9x squared. 3 times 3x is plus 9x, and 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. Then all I need to do is combine like terms. So let's see, the 9x and the 4x become 13x. The negative 3 minus 4 more is the negative 7. Okay, so this is the answer for the h. So we're going to take that h answer and plug it into the g. And we only have to plug it in once this time. So we're going to do 4 times all of that stuff minus the 1. And then just distribute out that 4. A little bit easier on this side. So 4 times 3x cubed is 12x cubed. 4 times negative 9x squared is negative 36x squared. 4 times 13x is negative 52x. 4 times negative 7 is negative 28. And then I just combined like terms. The only like terms were, this one is my sign wrong right there. Should that be plus 52 or minus 52? I think it was plus. So did I distribute? Oh no, I just had the wrong sign right there, so that should be plus. Okay. Yep, gotta watch those signs.